welcome folks to Yardie Belly's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some burgers for dinner, and we just wanted to share our recipes with you. I'm not a good recipe writer or person, so I'm just going to share, how I do it with you guys. Okay? You said that sounds fine-ish, don't? So welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen. You notice the light shines on my bowl and it just looks so fabulous. Fabuloso. All right, back to the argument. So I'm gonna make some turkey burger. I'm gonna buy that turkey at Trader Joe's. Big up Trader Joe's. Yeah, hopefully them will sponsor me. Right. So I'm gonna make ranch basil turkey burgers. Okay. And I got fresh basil. Oh, the light. Let me take off the light and come right back to Uno. Let me take off the light. The flash is gone, so now I can focus my attention on something. Yeah, see it here? Fresh basil. Fresh basil I bought at the store. In this bowl, I have about three stalks of thyme. Thyme, right? Thyme. Sprig, yeah. 3 spriggy of thyme and 1 stalk of scallion or green onion. I'm going to take the burger out the burger something. The package.
That's not a burger.
The ground turkey.
Yeah.
So, well, let's remember this. And the little boy is right here because we're teaching him how to cook. Come around that side there. Because, you see, in Jamaica, you have to teach your children how to do these things so that they don't, turn out to be what them call in Jamaica CRUFF. Right? So I'm going to put the burger in it. Stop this one now. Now I put the bowl, the turkey in the bowl. Yeah? Wow. What? Talk no?
No, what going on, sir?
The shade of the turkey. I want silver bowl. Oh.
No, sir.
So maybe just mix up this little bit, guys. Should I get by my nerves, folks? May I tell you, wow, with the turkey. Too much turkey in my bowl or what? Yeah. So. And then the basil is right here. Joshua, can you open that basil for me over there? That basil. All right, I'm just gonna add some of my powdered ingredients. I have some black pepper. I'm gonna add a little black pepper. I have some paprika, and again this cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. This is up to you. It's your flavor. It's what you want to do with your burger that makes it your burger. You get what I'm saying? So, you don't have to add the exact same ingredients that I am adding. We just do this for our own flavors. Some smoked paprika right here. Put a little of that, and it just gives a little woodsy flavor. And I have some ranch seasoning here. Now the ranch seasoning is the one where you use on the popcorn, right? But I like how the flavor have a little flavor in it's very flavorful. Yeah, so I add my ranch. Hence, it's basil ranch, burger, turkey burger, right? So I mix this up. You notice that we're not putting no egg or nothing to bind it in it, no binder, because we don't really need it, right? Don't we need it? We don't need it. Right. So this is just straight burger. I can make about 3 or 4 burger out of this. Yeah. Now the basil is fresh basil, so I just go wash it off real quick and then use them. And I'm not even gonna chop this, I just gonna broke it up in it, because you want the basil flavor is so nice. Where's the broke? So where you feel?
Broke it up. Broke it up.
Where you see?
Broke it.
But see, I the wrong sound that.
Broke it up.
Alright, so yeah, I'm just setting the knife on this.
Rough chop.
Get off the basil leaf there, man. That got strong, but the basil have a nice thing, and then we're gonna put little cheese on the burger, so it will make it worth it, you see? And tomato and stuff. So this is how you prepare your burger, and you can make this marinade just a little bit if you want to add a little olive oil.
Garlic.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some garlic powder. Normally I would put the real garlic. You want to put real garlic instead of garlic powder?
Not really.
You sure? It's always recommended that you use real garlic, you know. But for this,
have mashed garlic?
no, the mashed one have a little bit of salt, and I don't want to use it. So you smell how the basil smells strong. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add just a smidgen of powdered jerk seasoning that we made. I made this myself, you know, and just add a little bit of that, because we always want a little extra kick there. But you know, I remember said turkey is one of those meat that really don't have a lot of inherent flavor. So whatever you put in it is what is gonna, you know, take the flavor off that. Yeah. So yeah, I like how it looks so far. It look real natural, like, you know, them foreign people something. So right now I'm just gonna let this marinate for just a couple seconds, couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna shape it into patties, and then we're gonna put it on the grill, on the George Foreman.
Whoa, these look so lovely.
You like them?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll show you.
Well constructed and everything, and look so awesome.
I'll show you how I do it. Look here. I just simply, see? I use the container here, which is a you know, Chinese food come with a cover there.
The lid from
the lid.
The rice.
Yeah. I'm just put it on it and press it down, cause it give me the same thickness right across, so none not thicker than none. Yeah.
That's genius, remember?
Yeah, because me is a genius, you know. I'm just so very intelligent and skillful, you know.
No lie, this is
See?
very ingenious.
Josh, you like this? See? And then you basically just go and just knead it up and knead it up. Yeah? And then you basically drop it on the plate. You know, you just bend the lid. That one you have spoiled though. Yeah, see? Bend the lid and it come on.
Awesome.
Yeah. So the next step is we're gonna put the burger on the grill. On the grill. And we use the George Foreman. George.
We also use George Foreman until the Yardie belly one come out. Yeah.
You know, so with skill. Alright. Oh, I may have some uncured turkey bacon I'm gonna use too. Trader Joe's again. And we're gonna use this for add, you know, hotness to the burger.
Because what kind of burger is done without bacon? Like,
without bacon, yeah.
No, you can't get one with bacon at Burger King.
The boy love a Burger King, guys. Say about Burger King burger. Yeah, burger I gotta do now.
So here we have the burgers on the heated George Foreman grill. And it just takes a couple of minutes, literally about 2-3 minutes on each side, and it's pretty much done. And we have the bacon over here to the side just grilling.
I'm telling you, turkey bacon.
Yeah, you did tell them already. It's turkey bacon, all natural, no preservative, no additive,
no hormones,
no subtractive,
no nitrates, none of the stuff them we make you sick.
No oxygen, no.
And I'm slicing up some elemental. I can't pronounce that cheese. Yeah.
Elemental cheese.
Lift up the camera a little bit.
Emmentaler cheese.
Right, from Switzerland.
It's a Switzerland cheese, so you know. So
it's very pungent, and I recommend any cheese that you like where easy to melt. You can use, you know. But me like that one, yeah. And then also we didn't want to use a strong cheese that to compete with the burger. So it's like a Swiss cheese. This is like a Swiss cheese. It has some hole in it. Oh, it have hole. See the hole in there? All over it.
And this is just about ready to flip.
Show some of the burger. Show them some of the burger we do without the cheese.
Yeah. So here we have two that's already done.
And it tastes very good.
The bacon on top. Yep. Just a nice, flavorful, light dinner today. Just a sandwich and we're good. A burger. And we're good. We just flipped it and this is what it looks like with the grill marks. And we're just putting the cheese on top.
So by the time this cheese melts, it will be ready. And we'll just put the bacon on top of the cheese. And we're good to go. You see? Remember, I tell you, it's gonna be so intelligent. So we have the finished burger there. The cheese all melty, see that? And gooey. Ooh. And we're just putting it down. And then we're gonna assemble it. Joshua is the little boy is making his burger first. So put what you want on it. We have some lettuce, mixed spring greens on it. And first I must tell you that the burger is under the cheese and then the bacon is on top of the burger. And so we're just putting that down now, and then tomato. Right, and finally we're gonna add a little twist to our burger, which is to add fried egg to the top of the burger. And the yolk, normally the yolk is a little bit more runny, but you're not sure we're Jamaican, we don't really want the yolk runny and stuff, so we have put to our one, so right. So there you have it. Yeah, ranch, basil, turkey burger, and the wife here put on some French fries that we bake. This look goodish. Feel how many man. Tastes very intelligent. And this is our dinner for the evening. And anything else you have to put on it? Oh, she put ketchup. Don't trust them people that will put ketchup on fries. Yeah, the belly in a foreign. You understand? Kicking it up a notch. Remember, I told you. I saw the thing said. Watch it. Turkey burger. Sell off. It sell off. It or sell off. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on sharing the videos. Appreciate each and every one of you. Yardie in a foreign. Peace out.